Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. So I don't know if you guys know, but I had a lot of trouble with one of these lines, and I bought a universal kit for it, and I probably ruined six or seven fittings trying to get different people to crimp them on. So I decided that after the last run, it couldn't work because the fittings would just wrinkle up as they put them in the machine to crush them. So anyway, after a little research, the kit that they sent me it has a reduced barrier line in it, which has a much smaller outside diameter, which is why we had trouble with the fittings. So I bought a piece of standard barrier line, which is quite a bit thicker. You can see the difference here, and that was the whole problem with the fittings. Anyway, so I got this made up yesterday. We're gonna put some O-rings on it, oil up the O-rings, and put it back in, and hopefully we'll put that to bed. So let's find some good O-rings. And this bench is like your typical bench where you run out of room on it because all it does is collect garbage. So yeah, this is a number 8 hose as well as this here. But again, the outside diameter is different. So, and there's nobody around here that does anything with air conditioning. I know because I've looked. So I was able to find the people at Storeroom Fasteners. They do hydraulic lines, and they were able to crimp these on for me. And that was already got one on it. Way down there. And this one does not. So let's find the right size O-ring for it, which is right here. All right. Now, very importantly, put some oil on these guys because otherwise you tear the seal when you're putting it in. It needs to go in there nice and nice, as my old boss would say. And this is empty. I do have. I got a gallon of this stuff over there. So let me get some of that out. It's hot already. We should do the weather, Sean. All right, here we are in central eastern Alabama, and it's about 10 o'clock, I think.
Yeah, something like that.
Sun's out. There's about 120% humidity. It's going to be 95 today, which means it's going to feel like it's 1,000.
Not a lot of wind.
Not a lot of wind, but if you like sunshine, you're in the right place. Of course, it'll probably be storming later, so. All right, this is some real air conditioning oil here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to lube these seals up here. I probably should have blown this thing out. Let me do that. All right, let me blow it out because you never know what could get in here. We got these bugs here. Actually, they're flying. They look like wasps, but they're called mud daubers. And I don't know if they bite or not, but I do know that any sort of opening, hole, they will build a nest in there. And they are watertight and airtight. Just to get any debris out. All right, we got enough oil in here. That looks good. This looks good. I put a little bit more on there. It doesn't hurt. Doesn't hurt. All right. So I'm going to fish this through, and we want the thing on that side. So it goes underneath the radiator hose. Over the little cross member brace. Okay. Just gonna put this in the appropriate spot. This is gonna go in here like so. Okay. Okay, that started. The whole reason I brought these towels over here was so I could put them on the fenders. So let's put them on there before we scratch anything. Which you carefully shouldn't, but accidents happen. All right. This guy goes here. Goes on the other side of this would probably be better. Yep, like this. Always get these started by hand first. Try to get them in their square so you don't cut the seal. Right, I like that. I like that. That looks good. This side here started. And that looks good. All right. All right. That standard barrier number 8 hose is the same size as the number 10 they sent me on the outside. So we'll tighten these up. You don't have to over tighten them because there's a seal in there, and that's what's actually supposed to seal it. All right, that should be it. So we can almost we can put the hood on here if you guys want to.
You ready?
Yeah. All right. Let's get everything ready.
You got anything to charge us?